Adjunct's Kitchen, where we make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name is Chad Seeger, and today we're going to make a cool, quick little condiment that's great for dips or toppings, pineapple salsa. The must-haves for this dish are pineapple, tomato, red onion, black pepper, and lime. The optionals are coriander and cilantro. If you like things spicy, add some chilies. There's only 3 steps to making this salsa. Prep your ingredients and then mix them. You can use it then as a dip, marinade, saute, or just a topping. Making this salsa is incredibly easy. Simply chop up all your ingredients and then combine them. Starting with the onions, give them a fine chop. Same with the cilantro. Dice your tomato pretty fine. For your pineapple, it's fine to have decent sized chunks. And then some fresh lime to squeeze on top. Now I'm going to add a little bit of coriander, fresh black pepper, and give it all a good mix. So now we're going to scoop it into a bowl for serving. If we were to use this as a saute, we could add the olive oil now. But for now, we're just going to use it as a dip. Pineapple salsa can be used just like regular salsa, but it also makes a great topping for chicken, fish, or steak. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.